Hey people, I hope you're keeping safe and well. Guys, I am bringing you the amazing part 5 of Kay's Mega Cooking. Now, it's my favourite dish, Tigers. Now, comment down below and hit that like button if you agree that tuna pasta bake is your favourite dish. Oh my gosh, I'd be your best friend for about half an hour if you made me a tuna pasta bake. I would demolish a full tray full of it. Oh my gosh. Anyway guys, hit that red subscribe button with that daily notification alarm bell and let's go and watch Kay destroy some more cooking. Let's roll that intro. Hi Kay!
Again?
Ooh.
Pasta and tuna bake.
It's tuna pasta bake. Not pasta tuna bake, but tuna pasta bake. It sounds like masturbate, doesn't it? Oh, excuse me, I just need to go inside for tuna pasta bake. Oh, I say. Less of that, Tigers. We'll have less of that sunshine on this channel.
As you can see, I've got a pan boiling water.
So far so good. Are you going to season that water so the pasta absorbs some of the seasoning? Hurry up, love. How much pasta?
So, right, they are in the boiling water and it says for...
If it's anything over 10 minutes, you ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Doesn't say for how long.
About 6-7 minutes.
Pasta needs to be done for a tuna pasta bake al dente, so you boil it first, but not boil the living shit out of it, where it absorbs all the water and the gluten disappears. No. What we need here, guys, is firmness, so when you add the mixture for the tuna pasta bake and put it in the oven, it will finish off the cooking process with the actual other ingredients.
10 to 12 minutes.
Oh my shitting god! 10 to 12 minutes? That pasta is going to be absolutely cooked to fuck.
Okay, already I can see this is going to go wrong. You see, pasta bakes, there's a clue in the title. Not only do you have to cook the pasta in the pan, but you also have to bake it. Christ on a bike, love!
10 to 12 minutes. So, they can go like that.
Also guys, for those people that always think it's a great idea to like put a pan on the hob, always twist the handle so it's not sticking out. So if you walk past it, you're not going to be a clumsy twat and actually knock it off the sofa.
Oh my god, Kay, you're affecting my brain that much, love. Jesus, what?
You're not going to knock it off the cooker as you're heading towards the sofa and burn your pissing self.
Now I'm pouring some tuna. Not pouring.
Right, first things first, it's not tuna, it's not C-H-E-W-N-A, it's tuna. Or to be more precise, tuna fish.
I'm scraping out a tin can. Is it a tin of tuna? Can of tuna? No, tin of tuna.
Can of tuna.
Fine, that's the tin. Turn him down a bit. And I'm going to put another tin, can. What is it? Tin of tuna. Tin of tuna.
Can of tuna.
Oh, I don't know which it is anyway.
Just get on with it. Stop babbling on and just, you know, this is not a good guide if you're babbling on all the time, love. Come on.
Gonna get it all out.
Oh, get it out, get it good, get it out just like you should. Straight in my bath.
I like tuna.
I don't like tuna, but I do like tuna.
There we are. I'm going to break it up.
So it already broke up.
Actually, I broke it more or less when I took it out of there. Yeah.
Thank you. Tin. Or a can. It doesn't matter. Oh, God's sakes, come on, love, change the subject, get on with it.
I'm not putting no mayonnaise. I'm putting some cap over it.
Don't tell me you're going to fucking put mayonnaise with that tuna. I seriously fucking hope to God you do not destroy one of the favourite meals of mine. This advert is not sponsored by Pepsi Max. If it was, it'd be maximum taste. No fucking mayonnaise!
Funny thing when you buy new. That's a good, eh? Get the cap off, that's it.
Don't do it, please. Seriously, kill me now, don't do it.
Again. Open the lid and...
few squirts along of the good white stuff. I don't believe in Christ, oh shit, 'cause he invents mayonnaise and tuna for a fucking tuna pasta bake.
Fucking hell.
Oh, I've got no strength in that list.
What do you expect when it's creaming out all that lot? No, it should not be happening, Tigers.
Right, so I'm going to give that. Put that back so I can get more out. So I'm going to give that another. Oh, I think it needs a lot more. A lot more than what I'm putting in.
It didn't need fucking any of it, Kay, my love. It didn't need fucking a single bastard bit of it.
So some more.
Your arteries must love you. Do you know how much oil is in that? Anyway, make your homemade mayonnaise. It's got more flavourings. You can adjust it. Oh my god.
Use a full.
Oh god, and 2 cans of tuna. You don't need that much mayonnaise, you dirty sod. Oh, imagine the oily tech. Oh.
So mixing it again. I think that should about give it a bit more good amount.
The problem is, doll, it don't look right.
It looks like someone spat on your tuna.
It actually looks like, you know, here comes the Family Guy joke.
Looks like you need semen on your poop deck. Oh my god, what on Satan's fetid, milky foreskin is going on here? This looks like spunk. It actually genuinely does. Not mayonnaise, love. This is gone wrong. This is an abomination straight away.
The juice. So now I'm going to transfer it into the glass dish. You can see I put some more mayo on the tuna. What I'm going to do is fill this layer up.
Where's the tomato? Where's the bechamel? Christ on a bike. Where's the fucking seasoning? This has not seen a lick of salt and pepper and any other herbs and whatnot dribble piss you're going to put in here.
The mayo on top of it.
How much fucking... Oh my shit. Oh no, fuck me, Christ.
Oh, shit the frickin' bed, Tigers. What on earth? That says fatty. F-A-T-T-Y. This product.
Please be aware that you are in serious trouble if you carry on recording, as the fact that you have some serious issues with the loss of brain cells and how much mayonnaise Kate is using. Please tell your subscribers to be careful whilst watching this because it will set off a foodie's trigger warning. Right, okay, Tigers, it's now just been reported to me that the amount of brain cells I'm losing is far too much, so trigger warning for your arteries, guys. That is one fatty meal.
Some mayo on top.
Fuck me, she's putting some more on.
And then, to top it all, my favourite.
Ketchup, go on. Say it. Oh, okay. I'm a cheese fiend. Let's see if it's dribble piss cheese you're using. Oh, that cheese has started to sweat. That's why it's clumping together, love.
Cheese.
That's not enough cheese.
I do love cheese.
Wait. Whoa.
Now that's going in the oven for about...
What the fuck? What? Oh, just fuck off.
Until the cheese is melted, about 5-10 minutes, something like that, then it's going in. Well, it's going to go in and then that's it. And before it goes in the oven, I've got a little bit of basil here. Just going to sprinkle it all over.
It's too late for that, love. It's too late for that, love.com.co.uk.org.ever.
And this is...
Oh my fucking god, that is... Oh, fucking hell. Fucking hell. That stuff in there. I'll cut the melt. I'll look at the melted cheese.
Please be advised your exits are here, 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 here. Oh dear.
Here is the taste test.
Right, let's go with the taste test.
Whoa, 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 what was your verdict, Kate? Is your verdict that bad? Oh, fucking hell. Is the verdict that bad that you've had to put it on your poor bloody son? What the fuck? And seriously, what is this going to be charging up? Oh look, they're the right way round. Fucking duck. Are they though? Are they? What's... You've got some white stuff in your hair there, mate.
Can you taste the basil?
No, because he's got no fucking taste buds left, the poor bastard. What the heck?
Yeah, tuna and mayonnaise. Ooh, why did it spicy?
That's a basil.
Fucking hell. What you've just done there, K-Love, is taken out the bread from a tuna mayonnaise sandwich and replaced it with fucking pasta.
Seasoning, finally.
No! Good fucking cooking first, then seasoning, love.
But yeah, actually really nice. Obviously, there's no taste to the shell, obviously, but it is.
Yes, the fucking is, love. She didn't put bastard seasoning in the bastard pan for your bastard taste buds.
I don't care about the link in your description. I want it in mine, Kay. Comment down below when you've seen this video, my darling. And by the way, clean your door handle. Because you've got some weird black shit there. That is not good at all. At all, indeed. Clean your grout of your door, you know, because that's either mould, damp, whatever. Same with your tiles as well, love. Oh my god, thank fuck that's over. Kay, please, love, comment down below your thoughts and opinions on this video. I think you're an absolutely lovely lady. Guys, go and check Kay's cooking channel out. It's so comical. Some of the stuff is okay, some of the stuff is quite surprising, but to say the least, Kay, you're a lovely lady. Guys, be safe, be warm, be well, and always remember to always spread positive vibes, guys. Share the love. Yeah, let's share this love. Thank you, Chris, ever so much for pointing me in the direction of this episode. Oh my god. Guys, be safe, be warm, be well. Ciao for now.